Yeah, I'm here with Brad. He's my inspector. He got some. He's inspecting one of the properties for one of the properties I have under contract for one of my clients, and just want to introduce you to him. He's gonna talk about foundation, and he's right here.
Yeah. So we're talking about foundation repair. So one of the signs that shows that a house has had foundation repair is when you see these rectangular patches in adjacent flatwork. That's where the company that did the repair had to dig through the flatwork to get underneath the slab and put a pier. So in this patio slab here, this is the only place they got a pier. But there's other areas. What the other signs to look for is the turned dirt along the sides of the house. And so as a buyer looking at a house that's had foundation repair, whether it's disclosed or discovered, there's a list of documentation that's super important to get your hands on. One, you want to know who did the work. Is it a reputable company? Is it somebody that's been around for years, that's expected to continue to be around for years? Or is it Stan's Foundation Repair that just formed, and then, who knows how long they're going to be around? So that's important to know. Are they offering a warranty? That's very important, because just because they dug dirt out from under the house, which isn't awesome, doesn't mean that they know exactly what they're doing. So there better be a warranty. It was pretty standard that all foundation repairs would have a limited lifetime warranty. Now we're hearing more and more companies putting out a 10-year warranty, which is not as great. If the repair was just done and you're buying the house, yeah, you've got 10 years. That kind of gives you a warm, fuzzy feeling. But you also have to think resale, down the road. If you live in the house for 8 to 10 years and then you sell the house, is the next buyer coming in that's going to buy it from you, are they going to feel comfortable with only a couple years or no warranty on a house that's had foundation repair?
So it's very important to get a warranty, huh?
Absolutely. Did they run plumbing tests? Did they check for leaking plumbing in the slab? When a house moves enough to justify foundation repair, it can disrupt plumbing. And sometimes it doesn't, but when you level the house and you move it back, that can disrupt plumbing. And so did they run a static pressure test? If it's a legitimate company, chances are that's part of their process. They do a static pressure test. And then you just want to see a work completed diagram of the house showing exactly where piers were put and how many, because that's where the warranty is covering you. If they only did the back half of the house and movement happens in the future at the front, it's not covered. So those are all things that are very important to know when you're looking at a house that's been leveled.
All right, thanks, Brad. Appreciate it. So, guys, it's always recommended if you're buying a house to get an inspection done, so you can make sure that you're getting, so you're aware of the defects of the house and you're making sure you're getting a good house. Thanks.